Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can remove like a device access to your email on your phone. So to do that, you're just going to click on your profile picture on the top right corner and choose manage your Google account. Here you are going to go to security and scroll down to your devices. You're currently signed into your Google account on these devices. So select like just here your devices, and for instance you want to log out of another device. You're just going to click on it, and then there is a sign out button. You can also like find where the device is. But yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!